How to lock Facebook profile in one step on Android or iPhone. So no matter whichever device you have been using, either that's Android or iPhone, you can easily lock Facebook profile in one step by following this the tutorial video. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't miss any steps by while locking your Facebook profile in one step. So now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open Facebook app on your device and make sure to log in on your account. Then select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now open your profile by tapping the profile at the top of the screen. Once you get access to your profile feed, simply select the three dots which is next to edit profile option. Now on this profile settings, you will see the option of lock profile which is underneath view as option. Once you open it, simply you need to select this lock your profile button. And when you lock your profile, only friends will see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. People will be able to search for you and send you friend requests, but they cannot see your photos or post without being friends with you. So let's tap on lock your profile button. You have to wait for some few seconds and minutes. And let's select OK button, and as you can see that we have successfully locked our profile on Facebook. So that's how we easily lock Facebook profile in one step. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.